In the previous video, I have discussed about how to calculate the arrival time, date and day with the help of time zone of different cities and the total flight journey. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to calculate the transit time with the help of arrival time and the departure time for the next city. So before calculating the transit time, we should understand what is the transit time. For example, I am planning to go to Srinagar from Bangalore. So there are chances like I will not get a direct flight. So in that case, I am supposed to take a connecting flight from some other city so that I can reach the ultimate destination, that is Srinagar. So from Bangalore I will take a flight which will go to Delhi, and from Delhi I will take another flight so that I can reach Srinagar. So the amount of time which I am spending at Delhi airport to catch the another flight to Srinagar, that is called the transit time. It may be 30 minutes, it may be 1 hour, it may be more than 1 hour. So basically in domestic cases it will be 30 minutes or 1 hour, or maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes, so like that. But international cases it may be more than 2 hours as well. So it is not there is not some limit like 1 hour, 2 hour. So it depends on the flight to flight. So that is called the transit time. So here we are going to calculate the transit time with the help of arrival time and with the help of departure time for the next city. So here you can see in the question number 5, a person whose name is Mr. Ashok, he is planning for a trip to Istanbul. He is taking departure from Tokyo airport at 8 hours on 5th January 2020 on Monday, and he is arriving at a destination, that is Abu Dhabi airport, at 12 hours on 5th January 2020 Monday. He is taking another flight to reach the Istanbul at 15 hours on 5th January 2020. We have to calculate the transit time. So how we can calculate the transit time? With the help of arrival time. So what is the arrival time in this question? The arrival time is 12 hours at Abu Dhabi airport. So once you know the arrival time, that is 12 hours, now you have to find out what is the departure time for the city, for the another city, that is Istanbul. So the departure time for the next city is, that is Istanbul, 15 hours. So the difference between departure time for Istanbul and the arrival time at Abu Dhabi airport is our transit time. So what is the departure time here? Departure time is 15 hours and arrival time is 12 hours. So you just need to deduct 12 hours from 15 hours so that you can find out the transit time. So once you will deduct 12 hours from 15 hours, the difference between these two time will be coming around 3 hours. So that is our transit time. Again we will take another example so that you can understand it in a better way. So here you can see in the question number 6, Mr. Zahid is planning for a trip to Israel. He is taking departure from Osaka at 10 hours on 5th March 2020 on Sunday, and arriving at Sharjah airport at 14 hours on 5th March 2020 Sunday. He is taking another flight to reach Israel at 18 hours on the 5th March 2020 Sunday. Calculate the transit time. So here you know the arrival time is at Sharjah airport is 14 hours. Now you have to know what is the departure time for the next city. So the departure time to reach Israel is 18 hours, because our ultimate destination is Israel. So that is where we actually going. So departure time is 18 hours. So 18 hours and the arrival time is 14 hours. So in that case also you just need to deduct 14 hours, that is the arrival time, and 14 hours from the departure time, that is 18 hours. So once you will deduct the arrival time from the departure time, you will get the transit time. So like that we have to calculate the transit time with the help of departure and the arrival time at the destination.